I actually feel a lot better now these days because I got a new bed. Yay! I've been smothering myself with blankets also. I got another comforter too, so I realized like what hasn't been making me sleep properly and making me like feel so tired, lethargic, lots of dark circles, because I have been sleeping on a yoga mat for more than a year. And if you look at one of my old videos, I did mention why I sleep on the floor. These days I feel a little bit like, I guess, more energetic. I mean, everyone always says how sleep is important and how it really does change your mood and help regulate everything. So today I'm gonna try to clean up my place. I really want to depot some of the plants because the roots are very, very full. I still don't know how to do that, so I'm gonna try look up videos. Every time I wash my face, when I get, like, it just makes me want to get ready and get stuff done. The place is just really, really messy and my plants need to be trimmed and repotted as well. It really is one of those things that bring me a lot of joy these days because, you know, you're being at home, you're staying at home, gotta maintain your place because you're gonna be in, I mean, hopefully you're all safely social distancing if you can, so try to make your space as comfortable as possible. Yeah, this is where I game. My mask. Meow meow. Wake up. Hello. Hello. Hi. Oh, cutie. I honestly didn't think my plants would live that long. They're still kind of thriving, which I'm very surprised about. So I made myself a little electrolyte drink. I have this sugar-free electrolyte powder, and I also have this vitamin C BTS vitamin C packets. So I put them together and then put a lot of water. That's some ice. So this monk fruit extract is sugar-free and it's not an artificial sweetener. It's actually luohan guo. So it has no calories, but it doesn't make you bloat like artificial sugars do. It's not very sweet though, so it tastes like nothing. I've been feeling like stuck in a rut. Sometimes when I feel like this, I get a new journal or a new planner because my old one is kind of, I don't get to write a lot in it, it's just dates. But I got myself a planner so I can write down my ideas. Oh no, this one's just a journal. Okay, I got a journal. This one does not have anything in it. This one's a planner. Yes, 2020 to 2021. Well, at least this one's till 2021, so I have like 3/4 of this left to go. And I also got some liquid and roller ball pens. I really love these kinds. Like, it's kind of like ink pens. Got some extras. It's all fun. I can give one away to anybody that comes to visit my place. I'm like, do you want a pen? It's like really cute. It's like good for writing.
She has 1 week ago, she did leg, butt, and thigh workout. 15 minutes at home without dumbbells.
Leg. Alright, let me find it.
No, it's just a guy that's like trolling her online and like body shaming her and stuff like that.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know like how you body shame people that work out for a living, basically.
Men are terrible, like horrible.
Yeah.
Like, literally the worst. Alright, I'm ready. I did a legs, glutes, and thighs workout, and then also did a bye bye bat wings workout. Check it out. It's kind of like a shoulder workout. I did it with weights. Hi, Mama. Oh, you're such a good girl. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. Just finished my workout. You guys in a little bit closer. And I also took a shower to get ready and then kind of maybe clean up my space a little bit more, and I need to repot those plants. Today I'm going to be using some of the products from Sephora Collection's Clean line. Everything is under 20, so it's super affordable, and it goes through Sephora's clean certification. So the products are formulated without sulfates, SLS, and mineral oils and triclosan, among other things. I'm using the clarifying peel pads. It contains salicylic acid and it's also glycolic acid to help kind of exfoliate the skin. And it's kind of like a toner in the pad. The Clean line is a lot focused on sustainability with the packaging, especially I think this one is the plastic is created out of 88% recycled plastic, and all the cardboard is also recyclable, which is really great. After I tone my face, I'm gonna go in with a sheet mask. Just great for hydrating and kind of brightening up the skin. And this one's made out of 95% eucalyptus fibers. It's very soft and it adheres to the skin really well. I think a sheet mask is one way that, I don't know, I can kind of sit down and just chill because my mind runs so many miles an hour, and doing a sheet mask or a lip mask or some kind of mask just kind of anchors me down to stop doing a bunch of things, and just I can't really move around with a sheet mask on. The added benefit is you get bright and glowy skin, but as somebody that gets kind of anxious a lot, this kind of just like pulls me back and helps me realize like, hey, sit still for a little bit. I also got this necklace. It is kind of you know those keychain things you use to play, but in a big scale, so I really like it. It's from Statement Jewelry. It took a while to get here, and a couple weeks ago on Insta Stories I told you guys I was getting really bad like allergic reactions all over my neck, and I realized it was because of the cheap jewelry that I was wearing. Because I like to try on different styles, it doesn't make sense for me to like keep buying expensive ones, but now I'm like investing into more jewelry that is high quality, that doesn't kind of break me out. I've been feeling quite uncomfortable recently at home because I've been realizing a lot of things about myself. This is the longest time I've been living alone at home. You know, I don't really know how to deal with it. I get anxious at night. I have to face all my anxieties alone in bed, which I also got. I got a new bed. So I've been sleeping really, really well. I've forgotten how it felt to sleep on a soft bed. It felt like the earth was giving me a warm embrace. My skin just is really bright after. Been trying to take care of my skin a little bit more. I feel like because I don't see people, I am not taking care of my skin. But then I realized, like, you know, taking care of your skin is for yourself. It's not really for anyone else, and that's something I feel like I've forgotten. I still apply sunscreen every day though, because even though you're not really seeing anyone, you want to make sure that you're protecting your skin. Sephora Collection also has an eye cream with hyaluronic acid and caffeine in it to depuff the eyes. So I usually use this one at night instead. You guys know I don't really use eye creams, but this is a very affordable one if you are somebody that loves eye creams and you need to depuff the eyes. This one's great. I know this is kind of like a lot of people's favorite eye creams. For my base, I'm actually really excited about this because you guys know me, I don't really use that much coverage anyways, because I do like my natural skin to peek through, unless I'm doing a really like look. I'm gonna go in with this Sephora Collection Clean Glowing Skin Foundation, and I'm in the shade number 5. It kind of has a medium to buildable coverage, which I really like. One thing that's great about this foundation is fragrance free, and right now I feel like there's a lot of fragrance free skincare products, but there's not that many fragrance free face product. And I usually focus the foundation more on the in the corner at the face where you usually need it the most. I'm definitely gravitating towards more natural, clean skin type makeup anyways, since it is the summer and it's kind of hot. I feel like natural foundations, like glowy ones, wear better during this time. Cover up this spot right here. I'm gonna use the Clear and Cover Concealer with salicylic acid because cover blemishes, since they're raised, you want to use like half a shade darker, so it kind of causes like a slight shadow. See how that disappears? If you use one that's like light, it kind of raises the bump a little bit more. I was looking up kind of like how to make my hair thicker here and my eyebrows, and I used castor oil and I started breaking out around it because I used pure castor oil, which I shouldn't have. I've been trying to read more also. I'm kind of right now reading The Gifts of Imperfection by Brene Brown, and also Rising Strong. She has a very nurturing, calming energy to her. And I love that how it touches on, you know, vulnerability and how you have to be vulnerable to show up in life. You have to be vulnerable to be creative as well as a creative person, I think. Sometimes it's hard to be criticized because you're afraid of getting hurt and stuff like that, but that's how real creativity occurs, is that you try new things. That's creativity, right? And you put yourself out for a critique when you try new things. But that's how you grow as a person, I think, really. The Sephora collection also has wet wipes, so it's really great for quick cleanups and on days when you're lazy to use a proper cleansing oil. Since I want this look to be very blushy, I'm gonna go in with this Clean Lip Mousse by Sephora collection, and it's also fragrance free. And you don't find that many fragrance free lip products because they usually smell like cake or chocolate or citrus. Fragrance free option is like nice for people that are allergic to fragrance or sensitive or don't want your lips to smell like chocolate the entire day. It's like a velvety formula. So you like some matte velvet, but still very pigmented. Here we go. Dot 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 dot. I find that it's always okay to apply a little bit more blush because it makes you like very glowy. You're at home, looking flushed and cute. Why not? I'm gonna set my face with the number 59 brush. Any powder that you use. Everywhere else, I let the light peek through. I'm not gonna even contour today. Next to eyes is the Clean Bouncy eyeshadow palette. It comes in like a couple pretty shimmery shades like this. And I think I'm gonna use this rosy color. This one's like speaking to me. Reminds me of kind of like a beautiful cream highlighter, but for the eyes. Just gonna tap. Pretty. I'm really kind of happy, personally, that the kind of natural makeup trend is coming back, because as you know from my channel, I've never really done like heavy cut creases or intense like contour highlight because I never thought that suited my face. I do enjoy wearing this kind of makeup for the daily anyways. So I'm gonna tap in this bronzy shade right here in the middle. I'm going in with the deepest color right here. It's like a shimmery brown. Just keep the eyes like that. Honestly, I think I could still use a little bit more blush and color. So I'm gonna go in with a darker color in Dahlia. Just like right there. So Dahlia is a more berry red. Tulip is more like a rosy pink. Right there. I'm gonna top this off with this glossy lip oil. You can use it as a lip gloss, lip oil, lip treatment, up to you. I really like that. Again, no fragrance. Just in the shade Watermelon. So a lot of people have been asking for fragrance-free makeup, especially base, like foundation base. So here it is. The finished look, it just really accentuates all your features and kind of gives that like soft, glowy blush look. I'm really happy with this line, and if you're going back to school and stuff, you can definitely wear this. It's super simple and easy to do. Multi-purpose products, very clean ingredients. This is the look, really fresh. definitely due for repotting. So I'm gonna repot these today. I've never done this. I've had this for a couple months, and I also need to repot this one and trim away like the dried stuff. This one also looks like it could use like a little change of a pot because it's kind of like small now. Alright. Finish repotting them. I hope I did it right so they don't just die. That would be really, really sad. That was actually really, really therapeutic and really cool. Like I feel really accomplished. I guess I have some horticultural bone in me after all, and that's the only bone I've been getting. All quarantine, if you know what I'm saying. Just kidding, but not really. It's been lonely. Just kidding. Not really. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I will keep you guys updated on Insta stories so to see if they actually make it because I've never depotted them. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to check out Sephora Collection's clean beauty line. My favorite products are the fragrance-free makeup. Thanks for the journey because this was a journey.